Good morning, Paul.
Morning, Jenny. You seem happy today.
I am. My parents are coming for dinner tonight.
Oh, really? Today?
Yes, but we have a little problem.
What problem?
The fridge is almost empty. No milk, no bread, no fruit.
Empty. Oh, I see. Then we need to go shopping.
Exactly. Let's make a list first.
What do we need?
Chicken, cheese, milk, bread, vegetables, fruits.
And don't forget coffee for your dad.
And something sweet for my mom. Maybe chocolate or muffins.
Got it. Chicken, cheese, milk, bread, fruits, vegetables, coffee, chocolate, muffins. Perfect.
Great. English shopping day starts now. Wow, this place is huge.
Yes, so many lights and shelves. It smells good, too.
Let's start at the meat section.
Okay. Chicken, beef, or fish?
Let's buy fresh chicken. Mom loves chicken.
Wait, some of these are frozen. Frozen?
Frozen means very cold, like ice.
Got it. Fresh tastes better. 1 pack of chicken.
Next, the bread section. So many kinds. White, brown, soft, hard.
Let's take one soft white loaf, warmed and soft.
Loaf means one big piece of bread. Got it.
Now, dairy, milk, cheese, yogurt, butter.
Milk first. One big carton is enough. Cheese? Soft cheese is easier to cut. Yogurt? Let's take strawberry and peach flavors. 2 cups each. Butter and the little cream too. Done.
Look at all the colors. Red, green, yellow, like a rainbow.
Healthy food makes people happy.
For salad, we need tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, carrots, and 1 onion.
Fruits for dessert. Apples for Dad, bananas for Mom, grapes for us. Are these grapes ripe?
Ripe means ready to eat, soft and sweet. Perfect.
Don't forget lemons for tea and salad dressing.
Juice and water next.
Orange juice for Mom, apple juice for Dad. 2 big bottles.
1 still water, 1 sparkling water.
Tea for me, coffee with milk for you.
Flavor means taste. Sweet, fruity, creamy. Coffee with milk is my favorite.
All done. Time to pay.
Put heavy items first, like milk.
What's this paper?
It's the receipt. Shows what we bought and how much. Keep it in case something is wrong.
Good idea.
Paid. Smiles. Let's go home and cook.
Dinner for parents, made with love. Look at this salad, juice, and fruit.
And no mess this time. Good job, Jenny.
Friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What's your favorite food? Comment below.